Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some happy mail. This happy mail comes from a really long-time crafty friend of mine and a long-time supporter of my YouTube channel since I started my YouTube journey. And it is Pam from Pam's Paper Place. If you're not familiar with her channel, as always, I'll link it down below. She is an amazing junk journal maker. I love her thrift hauls. We have a lot of common interests, so I enjoy her content and I think you will too. So let me see what Pam has sent me. Again, Pam, thank you so much. And let's have a look and see what's in here. How beautiful is this packaging? I love the pink lace that you put on top. I think this is the note, so I am going to go ahead and read this real quick. This is Pam's entry for my birthday challenge. Thank you so much, Pam. I have truly enjoyed getting to know you as well here through our wonderful crafty community in YouTube. So let's open this up and see what Pam has made for me. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful fabric. Is this not just pretty? We love vintage lace, and she has found some really beautiful items from her thrift shop. So if you love thrifting, you need to see what she has made and gotten. Look at, I'm just looking at this fabric. I love the colors. This must be from a sheet, but look at the florals. Oh my goodness, she has made me a mini journal. How beautiful is this, Pam? This is, wow. I love the shabby chic look to it. We have a satin little closure here at the front. The little card. And it says, "Hi Clarissa, I hope you enjoy this mini journal that I made. Happy birthday blessings. Pam Van E." Thank you so much. I love how you use this card. Guys, look at this. I love this fabric that you use. I love the fuzzy, and then we have the pom-poms on top. She has a little fabric cluster with the floral pieces, some lace and ribbon trim. Let's look at the back. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. We have a little button dangle here. Love the zigzag stitching that she's added. And the butterfly, how pretty is that? That will make a beautiful tuck spot. Look at this. We have a flip out, a little pocket. Oh my gosh, favorite word, and I can journal and put my favorite word there. That's a nice prompt for journaling. Some mini journaling cards. This is so precious. I love that. Little tuck spot here. And this one is a little mini book page that she's folded. I love it. You can write on the back. We have a flip up here. Look at that. I love that. And you can journal underneath. Love this lace. We have another pocket. Oh, how precious. I love that vintage image. Beautiful pink sheet with the distressing. Oh my gosh. Pam, this is so gorgeous. It says this book belongs to coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. Oh, this is so much fun. I love these cards that you got. Favorite flowers, I can write that down. That is a great idea. We have some more coffee dyed paper. Look at this fabric. Little cluster flip. I see some florals on this satin piece. Some cotton and some lace. Love it. So I love how she includes a lot of things that you can, feel and flip through in her journals. Look at this one. I love that. This looks like a digital. We have some vintage pearl buttons and it says Lady Washington Pearls. That is amazing. Again, beautiful textures. We have a couple layers of paper here. Nice, look at that bow. Some doily. Wow, bird beauty. Oh, thank you. I love birds. And it says Parkway Drive. Cute. I love that aging on that trim. A couple more of these wonderful. We have a playing card that's really pretty. Olympia beer. And a floral piece there. That's so nice. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Look at this. And then we have a paper clip. How adorable is this for springtime with floral? And she's included a little guest check so I can use it as a writing spot. That is fun. I love the color of this. I've never seen, the ones I have a more mint color. We have our music sheet. Another beautiful pocket here. Oh my goodness, I really love. Let me know which digital this is from, Pam. This is so cute. Oh, I love that. And then we have another one. This time we have the bird beauty with the bird in the crown. That's so cute. Little flip out. Cute little envelope with a postcard to write on. Isn't that precious? Oh my gosh, Pam, this is so cool. Here's another one. And look at that. I love the scrappy little notepad here. That's so awesome. This is a lot of love and work. Oh, I love that mini tag. And look at this other prompt. Oh, I like that. It has some netting imprint on the back. That's really cute. More of a coffee dyed. Here's another side tuck and little playing card digital. That's cute. These are cards. Love that. I love the texture, and look at this. I love that pocket doily with the bow. Secret Garden. Isn't this adorable? Oh, and we have a little dictionary page. That'll be fun to use for my collages. Wow. Another tuck spot. And look at this other cute card. I love these images of these girls. They're so pretty. Little receipt. Little chocolate receipt. Here they are again. That is so adorable. And we have, oh, this is awesome. She made a little booklet. Look at that. I love this again. Cute little scrappy booklet. Love the way you did this, Pam. This is really pretty with the tea dyeing with the doily. Amazing. Wow. It is amazing. Thank you so much. And finally, we have a little envelope here. You can label it. And look at that. Oh my gosh. I am just amazed at everyone's creativity. And Pam, I love your journals, so I feel so blessed to have one of your creations. Actually, two. I have one of her butterfly journals, but this is just gorgeous. Again, a big thank you, Pam, for this gorgeous entry and this beautiful journal. I love it. Guys, check out Pam's channel and make sure to send her some crafty love. I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Make sure to check out the giveaway playlist. There are so many creative and talented crafty ladies here on YouTube, and I am so really feeling blessed, and I feel so special that you guys have joined my birthday challenge giveaway. So again, thank you so much, and thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.